Hey there, my name is Anna, and I will show you how to create an organic campaign with Verbyo to promote your blog article. As an example, we will create a campaign for an award-winning solo female travel blog called The Blonde Abroad. The blog, which Kiki, a former corporate employee, created, aims to help women find the confidence to travel the world. Let's begin with our first step, campaign details. Enter a name for your campaign. Pick a unique name so you can find it easily among your other campaigns. Next, choose a campaign cover and upload it. Our Verbyo users will see this photo before they will post your ad. Enter a name for your ad and a name for your blog, then choose a category. The preview will show you how we will present your campaign to our Verbyo users before they post on their social accounts. Second step, choose who is going to post your ad and where. You can choose the location of people by selecting them by country, county, city, age, and gender. Only people that meet these requirements will be notified. Once you've done this, let's select the social network you want people to post your ad. In our case, we will choose Facebook. Now let's move to the third step. This is where we create the ad that users will post on their social walls or stories. First, we choose the placement of the ad. You can ask users to post your article on their wall or stories. Please enter a text that will contain the link to your blog article and text about the link you have inserted. The text has to look like the user wrote it. Once you have done this, you can press preview. This will show you how your ad will look when users post it on their social wall. Let's enter your ad requirements for users. You can ask them to tag your page or profile in their post. Campaign budget and payment. You decide how much you want to pay for each post. This amount represents the money that the user will get once he posts your ad. So 1,000 posts mean 1,000 people that will post your ad. Once you've finished the campaign creation flow, you can take a look at the campaign summary. If everything is okay, you can launch the campaign or save it as a draft for later. Once you press launch, the campaign will be sent for approval by one of our staff members. Once your campaign is approved, the users you chose will be notified to post your ad. If you have any other questions, we are more than happy to help you. Write us or talk with us on our live chat support channel.